You've told me this about myself too. Make sure that if you get a massage, make sure they work your neck and your lower back. And I feel like because those are junctions, right? That maybe things can get clogged. Am I thinking about that correctly? Or why those 2 points for adults, let's say, in addition?
Well, nowadays, when we are like on the computer a lot, Zoom call or the iPad or the iPhone, uh, or when we have heated discussion, our neck tightens up.
Yes.
And there's so many important organs in the neck, the nerves, particularly the nerves that regulate people's eye, their nose, their jaw, their tongue, their stomach. It controls blood pressure, controls heart rate. So by virtue of teaching people how to watch their posture upright, in our class we talk about when you had your head down, working on your computer all the time, you're talking about 40 to 60 pounds of weight on those neck muscles, but because the body is linked, it go all the way down to the back as well. So in a sense, we really want people to recognize that the pain wants you, but some people with no pain, they have no non-pain symptoms of feeling nauseous, dry eye, watery eyes, and kind of
Are those also
pain.
symptoms of pain? Are you saying like nausea and dry eyes? It's just not a traditional sense of pain, or like if those things are happening, it's a warning sign?
It's a warning sign because those are non-pain manifestations. And by virtue of having the muscles in the neck and the back not tight, and you can move, normally with the normal range of motion, then it helps the nerve to calm down. Because when the nerve that make the muscle tight, it's not just affecting the muscles, it affects the other organs that they innervate, that they control. So that's why a lot of people with like reflux and bloating,
Mhm.
many of those symptoms can be helped by working on the neck. And then what makes the neck tight? Obviously, our posture, driving for too long,
Stress, right?
stress,
Stress,
anger, right?
anger.
But even just like a little motor vehicle accident can affect,
Sure.
that for a long time because that's how the body is trying to react. So the so-called whiplash symptoms oftentimes are related to the neck, and you can make it, sort of common to many things that make the neck tight, like even having cold air blow at your neck, the air conditioner, or I've seen people who get their Bell's palsy, the third nerve palsy.
Hmm.
There even another patient who get third nerve palsy affecting the eye uh,
And you feel that that is
from the tight neck
from the tight neck.
contributes to it. What leads to the tight neck? Because the neck muscles clamp down, it affects the blood supply.
So everything, it sounds like everything is interconnected. I mean, for me, this is a very new concept for me. I mean, now that I've, started to learn all of this, I really do understand and I have seen that everything is connected. I remember when I was talking to Doctor Who, she was telling me that my IT band was tight and that would affect my digestion. And to me, these are two separate body parts. So why would my IT affect my digestion?